everyone, I'm really nervous right now because today we're taking on a very tough challenge. Maybe the hardest line of my life. I just hope everything goes smoothly in a few minutes. The helicopter's climbing, my heart's racing, and I'm trying to keep it together. Wish me luck. Dropping into a fresh line from the ridge. Jacket zip, good, let's lock it all in. Goggles down, bindings tight. Look at that view. Clouds below us, mountain ahead, nerves turn to energy. I'm gonna drop straight onto the ridge. Look at that view. It's unreal. I'm about to chase it. 3, 2, 1, drop! Woo! Look at that view! We're flying! Woo! Here we go, carving the ridge, dropping soon, and stop! Woo! Clean landing, keep it fast, so smooth. Another turn, still flowing. Yes! So stuck to me. Yes! Dropping straight out of that chopper and sending this line all the way down. Here we go! Yeah! Feel that edge bite? So good! And